friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing one of the most economical boxes around, and that is the Euphorbia box. And this is how the Euphorbia box looks like. Rather, it is a Euphorbia bag, and recently they have started sending all their products in a pouch, and this time it's a very classy black pouch with Selfie Queen written on it and the Euphorbia box logo here. So let us go ahead, open this and see what all I have got. I can see a lot of product, friends. Let's just go ahead. So this is how the info card looks like, and all the details of the products have been mentioned here. So we have got 4 products this month. The first product that I have received is this. It is from the brand Aranyam. It's a saffron day cream and it is meant for detanning, and this is priced at rupees 599. I have used another of their product. I think I have used their nail and cuticle cream and I had quite liked that product, so I'm liking this too. The packaging is so beautiful and so nice. I quite like the design here, and yes, it is a detanning cream. It's a 50-gram product and the details are mentioned here. So the ingredients mentioned here are distilled water infused with pure Kashmiri saffron. It has got cocoa butter in it. It has got extra virgin coconut oil, sesame oil, vitamin E, emulsifying wax, and a specially formulated blend of essential oil. Sounds like a very interesting product. Let me open this and see. The fragrance is amazing, friends. It's just too good. It's a clear white cream. Let me just try it. I like the consistency of this cream. It is nice, it is hydrating, but it is not leaving an oily layer. Definitely, I do not have an oily skin, so I do not perceive it as oily, but I quite like this product. Seems very promising. The next product that I have received is from Magic Dust, and it is a fresh and natural broad spectrum sunscreen lotion with an SPF of 50. It is a 60 ml product, and this is priced at rupees 959, friends. So Magic Dust definitely is an expensive brand, but I also like this brand quite a bit. I have used many of their products and all their products are good. I never had a disappointment with any of their products. So this appears to be a good, interesting product. Look forward to trying this out. The next thing I have received is from this brand Beaufly. It's a blusher. I had received this earlier with another bag and I had not liked it then also. I'm sure I'm not going to like it this time also. This is priced at rupees 349, and I think in 349 I would definitely get many other blushers. So this is how it looks. It's a bright pink color and the consistency here is quite powdery. I have tried it. I'm not going to swatch it again, and it has a shimmery finish. I wish I had received something else instead of this. And the last product that I have received is this. This is a pair of earrings priced at rupees 150, and this is how they look. This is amazing. I am in love with this earring. Honestly, very nice. I am going to use this immediately. Very happy to get this. Absolute good quality, stunning piece, and will look good on Indian, Western, any sort of outfits, friends. So you just the perfect one to team it up. Very versatile. Loved this earring. So friends, with that we come to an end of this unboxing. I quite like this unboxing. The most promising product that I liked is this saffron day cream from Aranyam, and I also like the earrings. A little bit of disappointed with the blusher, but overall with the rest of the 3 products I am very happy with this box, so I can ignore the blusher. Just the 3 products are fantastic. Loved it. So friends, if you too share my opinion, go ahead and order yours. With that we come to an end of this unboxing. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.